Hello little artists. Today, we're going to draw a relaxed monkey sitting in a peaceful pose. He's calm, cool, and ready to say Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Start with a long face and to sleepy eyes. Add a small smile and to big ears on the sides. Now draw long hair flowing down from the top. Let's sketch the body sitting cross-legged, nice and still. Add both arms open wide, with relaxed fingers. Now draw the long tail curling behind and a round belly in the middle. Our Zen monkey looks like he's ready to teach us how to stay calm and silly. Look at your peaceful monkey. He's quiet, wise, and a little funny too. Let's color the body light brown with a yellow belly and gloves. Make the hair dark orange or red brown. The ears can be soft yellow, and the tail the same as the body. You can add sparkles, a yoga mat, or a jungle with birds meditating too. Your Zen monkey looks amazing and full of chill vibes. And now we're done. You just drew a mindful monkey. Great work, little artist. Can you guess what we'll draw next? Hello little artists. Today, we're going to draw a happy ice cream cone on roller skates. It's sweet, silly, and ready to roll. Grab your crayons or markers and let's begin. Let's start with the creamy top, big swirls going up like a soft wave. Now draw the cone underneath, like a triangle with crisscross lines. Add a happy face, two big eyes, a smiling mouth, and rosy cheeks. Next, draw two arms open wide, ready for a hug. Now the fun part, till legs with roller skates at the bottom. Add 4 little wheels on each skate and laces too. Our skating ice cream looks like it's ready for a fun race. Look at your rolling ice cream. It's cool, fast, and full of joy. Let's color the ice cream light cream or white. Make the cone golden brown with orange lines. The skates can be bright blue, red, or any color you love. You can also draw a skating rink or other desserts cheering nearby. Your ice cream looks awesome and ready to roll. And now we're done. You just drew a skating ice cream. Great work, artist.